The Southern Ideal Home Show is now underway at the State Fairgrounds in Raleigh, a great place to get ideas for home remodeling and construction. Headlining the show's expert stage is Brian Santos. You probably know this man as the Wall Wizard. He is here with a few secrets of the trade. And Brian, I've got to ask you, what does vanilla, chapstick, and Pam have to do with painting?
Well, let's start with the Pam. First thing, to keep the paint from sticking to your skin, put a little Pam on. It keeps the paint from, sticking.
Okay.
The other thing is the chapstick we use on the inside of glass windows. That keeps the paint from sticking to the glass.
Okay.
Vanilla, 4 drops of vanilla in a quart of paint will take the smell out of paint. And just for Shelley, the plastic wrap goes on your glasses when you paint a ceiling so the paint doesn't get all over your glasses. That's it. She was like, what is that for? And you can put it on doorknobs, you can do all sorts of things. But these are the kinds of secrets that are in my books. I'm a best-selling author for Better Homes and Gardens.
How many books do you have?
14.
Wow.
And these are just some of them. Painting secrets, faux secrets, and the brand new painting wallpapering secrets, which we'll be selling at the home show.
And this guy also works for Habitat for Humanity, which I
do.
think is a wonderful thing.
Thank you very much. But there's a lot of little secrets, like for instance, you can clean your walls with rubbing alcohol. You can kill mold and mildew with hydrogen peroxide. One of the things I use for touch-up is I use old shoe polish bottles. You put the paint in, and now you have a touch-up container. Other things, too, that you can do is
you put the paint in there.
You put the paint in there, and then you store it upside down, and that actually is your touch-up paint for the room.
Right.
This is a 15-year-old brush, and I'm going to show you how to clean it in 10 seconds or less. To make it easier to hold, we use pipe insulation, something like that. But the real secret I want to show you is how to recycle, reuse, repurpose. We can use a milk jug, and this actually becomes a container which we're going to paint from. But the biggest secret I want to share with you and your audience is how to clean a brush in 10 seconds or less. And the answer is a half a cup of fabric softener in a gallon of water will clean any water-based paint in 10 seconds or less.
Man.
We're going to do that live on my stage in the Wizard's Workshop 3 times a day. Come on down and be a part of the magic.
You've got one this afternoon, is that
I
right?
do. I actually have one at 3 o'clock is Painting Secrets. At 3 o'clock is Faux Secrets. We're going to show you how to do sponge painting, rag rolling, all that stuff.
Right.
And then through the weekend, 12, 3, and 6 tomorrow, and 12 and 3 on Sunday. But the first people that come in and buy my book are actually going to get $60 worth of tools. They're going to get a brush set, they're going to get a roller, they're going to get some really cool tools plus the bag. And the home show is a great way to really learn about the businesses in the community. And of course, it's been here an institution in Raleigh for many, many years.
You're a man of great energy and talent, Brian Santos. All right.
Thank you, Bill.
Appearing at the Southern Ideal Home Show, which runs Sunday through Sunday at the fairgrounds here in Raleigh. Tickets and times vary, but you'll find a link for information on our website. Just search web links. Michelle, he had you surprised, didn't he?
Yes, who knew? And all of those things you can find right in your house.